morning. It's day 10 of our renovations. I hope you're doing good. It's just after 7, I think. I'm just checking out this room. It's been closed up for about 5 days. I'm pretty sure he said he was going to do another coat, so it'll be interesting to see when that gets done. I'm pretty sure excuse me, I just have to speak for a while to speak properly. I'm pretty sure they're definitely doing the other little sunroom today for the floor. He did say the floor's quite out because, you know, being an old house, like it's literally nearly 100 years old. So that will be good. It'll be in prep for Friday. We still haven't heard back about the lino. I have a feeling it's too late now to change it unless we change the install day, but then that puts everything off by, you know, getting the ensuite finished. So I'm not sure. So the pool area, he should be moving on to this pretty soon. He did bring the trailer last week to take out the spa, but he just didn't get to it, which is fair enough. He suggested maybe we could just clean all this with the water blaster and we'll see if it needs painting. And I've been saying for years that I wanted to paint the pool, but we might just give it a quick tidy up. It's actually really structurally fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just cosmetic. And paint the top bit will get rid of the mold around the top of the pool. And to be honest, we've had such an atrocious summer. I don't know if you know, but you know, Auckland, our biggest city, has had flooding and it just hasn't stopped raining. And we've only technically got 3 weeks left of summer. And I know I lived in the pool last summer. So we're not even sure whether we are even going to fill it up. The weather's just like unbelievable. It's probably like one of the worst summers that I can remember. And I'm hitting 60. So yeah, it's been that bad. So we're just going to clean up all of this, and that's actually our property through there as well, just a little bit. And you know, that's all going to be mowed nicely and, you know, all water blasted. So things, you know, just take so long to do, but they do and they don't. It's kind of like a contradiction in terms. To think they've done so much in 9 days, because this is the 10th day. So we're getting there, guys. So as for what's happening today, I'm not really sure day to day. We do talk about things and what we're going to do the next day, and it's just kind of where they're at. Like the floor needs prepping before Friday, and it's just going with the flow. Sorry about the light in here. I've had to turn the light on because we've got that blocked off, that sunroom. So it's just making it a lot darker. But this is one of the little jobs I need him to do. I love these set of drawers, but if you've seen some previous videos of mine, they arrived damaged. So, I mean, you know, the damage isn't too bad, but I just want him to try and fix it. One side's worse than the other. So I actually haven't even put the handles on them yet. And this is going in the sunroom. So yeah, they must just stick the handles on that side for, you know, for transportation and for not, you know, for when you first put them on. It doesn't even make sense. Sorry, I actually haven't had my cup of tea yet. Hi, boss. Yeah, so that's going to look really nice against the grey floor. I can't wait to decorate the sunroom. Like, if there's one room I'm so keen to decorate, it's the sunroom. This is my son's bedroom wall colour. I'm probably not going to show you my son's bedroom at this stage. It's just all about privacy. He's a teenager and he's autistic, and I didn't want to show his space, just out of some privacy for him. But yeah, that's a colour match the wallpaper was in quite rough condition, and they've done a first coat, and sorry, boss is drinking his water. Boss, I'm trying to film my video. Thanks, boss. So, yeah, he's actually got the biggest bedroom in the house, because when we did our ensuite, we decided to have the smaller room to get an ensuite. Otherwise, we couldn't have an ensuite if we had a bigger room, if that makes sense. So, I know I will show you that room at some stage, but at the moment, I just really don't want to disrupt him. So, yeah, all these little jobs, guys, like I have to fix up paint on my headboard, and you know, it's just like you get up in the morning and you think, well, what's getting done today by them and me? So yeah, we bought 3 new toilet seats yesterday. I just didn't film that, but you know, like I did film us looking at toilet seats the other day, but I didn't think that was very exciting. You know, obviously we've got 3 toilets in the house. So all these little things that just take so much time that you think is going to be really quick. Just takes a while. So the floor has been laid, ready for the lino for Friday, and it's now Wednesday, and we have heard back about the other lino, how we wanted to change our mind about the one that I picked, but would have put the installation out a whole week, so we decided just to go with my original choice, which I'm okay about. I'll explain it when you see it. So they're doing some work on the outside of the house, which isn't that exciting. So I'm going to leave today's video here and come back tomorrow. Now I believe that the electrician is coming tomorrow to take down the chandelier. The other one's been taken down already. And we'll work on what's going up there. And I'm not sure what other things are happening tomorrow. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.